I believe, of course, we're not just investing on a lifestyle, as well as we're investing as well for the property itself, because we really strongly believe that when you invest in a property, of course, you're looking forward for a capital appreciation, which how many percent in the span of 2 years?
So for the Manansala, around 30%.
Around 30% or more pa.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
And of course, continuously, di ba, tumataas yung capital appreciation as time goes by. Lalo na pre-selling pa
Yes,
ang
correct.
ating projects.
Mm.
And imagine, 2 years, so that's year 2021, during the pandemic, then people are still buying and investing on, of course, good and beautiful properties. Di ba?
Yes. And of course, with that number of percentage or dun sa rate ngayon, we will going to beat the inflation rate. That's why we're investing, di ba? And of course, we're really looking forward din kapag mata-turn over na yung property. What more kapag mata-turn over na, di ba? So it will continually go up or increase in value over time.